If you're interested in learning front-end web development using React.js, there are a few topics that you'll need to cover to become proficient in it. Here is a potential breakdown of what a 33-hour course might look like. Module 1, Introduction to Web Development, 3 hours. 1. Overview of web development and how websites work. 2. Basics of HTML and CSS. 3. Setting up a development environment. Module 2, HTML and CSS Fundamentals, 6 hours. 1. HTML tags and elements. 2. CSS selectors and properties. 3. Box model and layout. 4. Responsive design using media queries. Module 3, Bootstrap 5, 6 hours. 1. Introduction to Bootstrap 5. 2. Bootstrap grid system. 3. Navigation and navbar components. 4. Forms and input components. 5. Styling with Bootstrap classes. Module 4, JavaScript fundamentals, 6 hours. 1. Introduction to JavaScript. 2. Variables and data types. 3. Control structures, if, else, loops. 4. Functions and arrays. 5. Debugging with console.log and browser developer tools. Module 5, React.js, 12 hours. 1. Introduction to React.js. 2. Setting up a React project with Create React App. 3. Components and props. 4. State and lifecycle methods. 5. React router and navigation. 6. Handling user input with forms and events. 7. Building a simple CRUD app with React and a REST API. Module 6, Final project, 3 hours. 1. Using your skills to build a simple web application using React, Bootstrap, and other front-end technologies. This is just one possible breakdown of a 33-hour course on front-end development using React.js. The actual content and duration of each module may vary based on the goals and needs of the course. However, this should give you a rough idea of what you can expect to cover if you decide to take such a course.